I'm gonna do my best because it's super bright outside, but yeah, I got a new project that came in from Mercari. I ordered it a couple of weeks ago. It got lost in the mail due to that Hurricane Helene situation. So it literally sat in limbo for about a week, and then finally it got picked up and then it arrived here. So I'm going to show you what we got, and we're going to do an unboxing and check it out and see how it works. And maybe we can do future videos with some upgrades to a 386 AST machine that I found on Mercari. Looks like I got myself a little helper. Okay, Cooper, are you gonna help me? Are we gonna open this box together? Huh? All right, let's see what we got, okay? Everybody, Cooper, the box helper. All right. Nope, he's done. Wow, what do we got here? So this just came in the mail a couple days ago. Something I had ordered. It was heavily discounted on Mercari, so it's not actually what's in this box. It's not a Silverstone, which those are pretty nice cases, by the way. But this here is an addition to my retro computer collection. Look at that keyboard. It's gonna need to get some cleaning, some retro brighting. Okay, let's see what else is in the package. Really well packaged, by the way. I was really afraid of how this would show up, considering that halfway across the country it disappeared and was lost to the mail or delivery service. But it reappeared, and now here it is. Kind of smells like soap. Okay. Kind of dirty. It's gonna need some cleaning. What? There it is. The AST Bravo 325S. This is a 386 processor computer. Wow, super cool. Gonna need to do some cleaning because it's pretty dirty. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this card to the machine. And if you're wondering what this is the Sound Blaster AWE32. And this memory right here stores the wavetable. So it's a wavetable based sound card. It was pretty high-end and advanced at its time. 16-bit ISA. So yeah, that would be a really good addition to the 386 machine. You know, for a 386 computer, this is a lot of memory, but I still have a couple more sim modules I can put in here to fill it all out. But already we're at a good start for this 386. And another thing I can appreciate is look at the ISA slots. 5 ISA slots. So I've got a video or a sound card I'm going to put in here. Probably got a video card I can put in here to upgrade the built-in video that this computer has. So pretty excited about that. 16-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit. Old school ISA slots. So I managed to rustle up a CRT monitor, and as you can see, we're powered up. And disk failure. There's probably no operating system, or the drive is actually bad. So now comes the part where we try to figure out what is what. And oh, there is the brochure for the AST computer that we are looking at right here. The Bravo. After doing a little bit of tinkering with the BIOS, I figured it out and I was able to get it to boot. So let's see what we got on this machine. Wow. It's been a while since I've seen Windows 3.1. It's kind of nice to go back to memory lane. And there you have it, folks. Windows 3.1. How cool is that? Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out all of my links below and follow me on the socials, and make sure to like and subscribe. We'll be back with some more of this 386 machine. Thank you very much.